Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome to Chikelly Beauty. My name is Chikelly. I'm a certified esthetician. And Chikelly Beauty is about skincare, so we teach you how to look after your skin. So if this is your first time and you like what you're seeing, hit the subscribe button and subscribe. And also don't forget to share. Please, please, and please, I beg you in the name of God, please like this video, okay? Hit the like button and like it just to support this channel and also to allow YouTube to show the video more to more viewers. Thank you so much. So our video today is about Vista Plus cream. Vista Plus cream. This is a requested video and I'm doing it for you. Okay, Vista Plus cream. And a lot of you want to know what Vista Plus cream, what can it be used for? Because most people are getting it all wrong, using it the wrong way. And the worst thing you can do to your skin is to put something that's not right for your skin, because it can cause more harm than good. So I am here to tell you the best way to use your Vista Plus cream, what to do and what not to do, and so on and so forth. Now, Vista Plus cream is a potent steroid cream. Okay, it's a potent steroid cream and is formulated to care for various skin conditions. All right, and you all know I have given a review on a lot of potent steroid creams, and this one today is one of them. Now, this particular cream has 3 main ingredients. Okay, 3 main ingredients. When any product says 3 main ingredients, it means the 3 main ingredients with high quality formulation. Okay, they were formulated more than every other ingredient. It's not saying that this is the only ingredient. It's only telling you that this is the 3 main ones. Okay, that the percentage of formulation is higher than the rest. Okay, the first one is clotrimazole. So clotrimazole is an antifungal. It has like 1% clotrimazole. Okay, 1% clotrimazole, and clotrimazole is an antifungal ingredient that effectively treats fungal infection. Okay, it treats fungal infection. I'm going to tell you as this video go on what kind of fungal infection it treats. Okay, the second one is betamethasone. Betamethasone is a steroid. So let's put it that way. It's a steroid and it has 0.05%. So betamethasone is a corticosteroid. Okay, it's a potent corticosteroid, and potent corticosteroid reduces inflammation. We're talking about the likes of redness, itchy skin, and maybe irritation, skin irritation. So this is what betamethasone does. Okay, now the third ingredient here says neomycin. So neomycin is a broad spectrum antibiotic that combats bacteria. So when it says something combats bacteria, it means it treats bacteria, it inhibits the growth of bacterial infection. So it kills it and it stops it from doing what? From growing back. So this is the 3 main ingredients that this cream has. Okay, now a lot of you use this cream the wrong way. Yes, a lot of you use this cream the wrong way. So what exactly is this cream used for? It is used to treat fungi, bacterial infection. Fungi and bacterial infection. It did not say here anything about pimples. It did not say anything about acne. It did not say anything about dark spots. For those of you that are using it for that particular purpose, it's wrong. This is not an acne cream. This is not a cream for dark spots, and this is not a cream for pimples. Okay, this cream reduces redness on your skin. It reduces inflammation. It reduces itchy skin. Okay, and is also used to treat other skin conditions. You're talking about athletic foot. Remember, athletic foot is caused by fungi. Okay, it is also used to treat eczema, and this is what I'm using for my daughter. She has eczema, psoriasis. Look at all the pictures as it's coming. Psoriasis, dermatitis. These are bacterial and fungal infections. Okay, this is what this cream is used for. Now let us open it and see. It comes in a tube like this. Okay, it comes in a tube like this. Let me open it and show you. So it comes in a tube like this, and this is what it feels like. If you put it on your skin, it's like, you know, body cream. It dissolves completely. It doesn't leave any residue, so it dissolves completely. It smells like a body lotion. It smells like a body lotion. So this is what this cream is used for. So not for acne or pimple. Now, how to use it? So you make sure the area that you're going to apply it is completely cleaned and dried. Make sure it's very dry, all dry. And then you see the way I applied it. You apply a thin layer on that particular area, and then you make sure you dissolve it, massage it so that it's dissolved completely on your skin. Okay, if you're not using your hand, if you don't have all these skin conditions on your hands, make sure you wash your hands afterwards, because remember, this is a potent steroid. Don't joke with potent steroid. So you wash your hands immediately, and then that's it. Now, what are the side effects and how long do you have to use this cream for? This cream is basically for a duration of the time that you still have the skin condition. Once the skin condition is completely gone, you have to stop, because it's a potent steroid. You have to stop. Where I live in Ireland. You cannot get this cream in the pharmacy. It has to be prescribed. But this particular one, I bought it when I went to Nigeria earlier this year. I bought loads of them because my daughter suffers from eczema, skin condition. So I bought plenty of them. So it's saying here in Nigerian currencies, 850 naira. See? 850 naira is the price you pay for this, just this little tube cream. Now, what are the side effects if you use it wrongly? Remember, it's a potent steroid. So if you don't use it the right way, your skin will suffer for it. You will get like thinning of skin. You will get like burning sensation, because your skin tissue it will damage your skin tissue. When you have thinning of skin, potent steroid shades off skin tissue, shades off top layer of your skin. So you'll be getting like a burn if you use it wrongly, if you abuse it. Let me put it this way: if you abuse it, you can also get like skin irritation. Those are all the side effects that it causes. Now, remember, this is a potent steroid, so anytime you finish using it, put it back in the pack and store it in a cool, dry place, like a drawer. So you're not putting it like direct sunlight, because it can cause oxidation and it will spoil it. Okay, I hope I have covered everything. And yeah, before I forget, this is not a skin bleaching cream. It cannot bleach your skin. It's not for body cream to even talk about skin bleaching your skin. It's not a skin bleaching cream, for those of you that want to know. This is a potent steroid cream. Okay, I hope I've covered all you want me to cover. Thank you so much for listening to me, all the nonsense I've been saying. If you think it is. But anyway, I hope you found this video helpful. Now leave a comment in the comment section. Have you used it before? Are you thinking of using it? Do you know someone that used it? Is it good on your skin? Did it work for you? Did it do what it says on the tin? It clears my daughter's acne, eczema anyway. But did it do it for you? Thank you so much. I'll be very glad to see your comment, and I promise you I'll definitely reply you. Okay, thank you so much, my favorite people, and thank you. I hope you have subscribed and you have clicked the like button and like it. And for my returning subscribers, I love you so much. Thank you for your support, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.